Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the AGPTEK wireless charger. It's a 4-in-1 charging station. Inductive charging station with 30-watt charging plug. A wireless charger which is compatible with the iPhone by Apple and of course the Apple Watches. All what Apple Watches are compatible with this device, with all mobile phones which contains Qi standard, and these are the 99% out there today. It's a charging station which is also compatible with Samsung and Huawei, for example, and so many other brands. The AGPTEK wireless charging station can charge 4 devices at the same time, including 2 phones and an Apple Watch and a wireless headphone. And this will free us from these tangled charging cables and adapters, because we only need one plug and one charging cable. You can see it's easy. We connect this into the charging station, and after we connected only one wire, then we have the possibility to reload 4 devices. Of course, we have to adjust the main stand a little bit, and then we are ready for recharging. 2 phones, an Apple Watch, and wireless headphones. That's awesome. At the same time, whenever at home, in the office, traveling, or on our business trip, we just need one adapter. That's enough. Simply connect the adapter to this wireless charger for fast and convenient wireless charging. And with 30-watt QC3.0 Adapter, the AGPTEK wireless charging station can charge 4 devices with maximum 15-watt power. Of course, 7.5 watt for iPhone. But this is not the fault by AGPTEK, it's the fault by Apple. I don't know why they do this, but it's only 7.5 watt power delivery possibility. For iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 14 Max, all kind of the series 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Because since iPhone 8 and the Plus and the Max and Pro model, it is possible to reload our iPhones via wireless. That's cool, and you can all need and get them on top of this device here. Of course, it's also compatible with Samsung devices, S22, 21, 20, Ultra, Plus, everything. The Note 20, Note 20 Ultra, no problem, it can be recharged here. And 5-watt power for AirPods. AirPods Pro, AirPods, and other Qi-enabled smartphones are compatible too. With 3.5 watt, it's for the iWatch. The Apple Watch Series 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and Ultra. You can recharge here with that device. And of course, you can recharge your Huawei phone with 15-watt power. The P50, P40, P30 Pro, the Mate 30, 30 Pro, the Mate 40, 40 Pro. And there's only one thing you have to think about. Only supports the Apple Watch. It does not work with Samsung Watch or Huawei Watch, because they does not have such an magnetic connection thing, okay? It's a foldable design. That means it's easy to carry. This wireless charger can be folded and retracted. Convenient to carry, and we can save space. Also, we can adjust the charging area of our phone to 54 degrees or 60 to get a perfect view for watching videos or FaceTime while we receive a continuous charge. we will free our hands and unlock more possibilities with that device here. Depending on the size of our phone, we pull it to the right place to charge. The different heights is possible for 5.4 inches or 6.1 inches, and of course 6.7 inches included. With this wireless Qi charging protocol, the wireless AGPTEK 4-in-1 charger has overcharge protection, over temperature protection, over surge protection, FOD, etc., which ensure a safe wireless charging of our devices. Besides, this 4-in-1 wireless charger with air dissipation hole on the back can operate at low temperature charge. Yeah, this device efficiently and safely. And it's easy. We do not store use in high temperature, humidity, dirty areas, or strong magnet fields. We keep it out of the reach of children. We do not expose to water or heavy dust. We keep it dry and clean because it's not for outdoor use. Non-professionals are not allowed to disassemble and repair without authorization. Of course, this is the same like every device out there. We have on the left side a wireless charging area 1 for the iPhone or other phones. We have in the center, but on the arm, a wireless charging area for the Apple Watches. We have the wireless charging area for TWS earbuds in the center front area, and the wireless charging pad on the right side for our smartphones with Qi standard recharging wirelessly. No problem. Input is 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volt, 3 ampere, 15 volt, 2 ampere, and 20 volt, 1.5 ampere possible. Output for the iPhone is 15 watt maximum. Output for TWS earbuds, 5 watt maximum. And for the Apple Watch, 3 watt maximum. The charging frequency is 105 up to 205 kilohertz, and the induction distance is from 0 up to 6 millimeter. These are 0 up to 0.24 inches. The conversion rate is more than 75%. The wireless charging device here is really easy. We make sure that the phone supports wireless charging function first, of course. We unfold the wireless charging stand and pull up to the size our phone will match us. We place the phone vertically in the middle position. Then we enter the device. The AC adapter, which is included, is the right thing. Do not attach a smaller one because you will reload or you will get power into 4 devices at the same time. So you need power from the AC adapter, okay? You don't use a QC 30-watt charger? That's not good. We have to use one, a powerful thing. Okay, and then we can start with the reloading process. Easy going. This is the AGPTEK wireless charger. It's a 4-in-1 charging station. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.